Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening Google Maps and signing into the account you'll use to share. Make sure location permission and GPS are enabled. This gives accurate position. Once done, tap the blue dot that marks your location or the profile menu for sharing options. You'll see Share Your Location, tap it. Now choose how long to share and which contact or link method to use. This sets the time frame and access level before you continue. Next, choose who will receive your location and why. Pick a Google contact for direct sharing or create a link to paste into a message. Once done, set the duration, pick a fixed time or choose until you turn this off for persistent sharing. Make sure you confirm the recipient's device can open Google Maps or a browser to view live location. Also verify network connectivity. Poor data causes stale positions, so check cellular or Wi-Fi strength. To finish, you stop sharing by tapping your profile or the blue dot and selecting Stop. That immediately revokes access. Once done, confirm the recipient can no longer see your marker. If things go wrong, first toggle location/GPS and restart maps. Intermittent fixes often restore live updates. Also, make sure background location permission and battery saver settings aren't blocking sharing. Disabling battery saver usually resolves update delays. If problems persist, sign out and back in to refresh account tokens.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.